You have got to be kidding me. Again? Again. You have not called, you have not texted, and yet you still show up to my house unannounced. This is unacceptable. What are you... I always want to be so mad at you, and then you start crying. What is... Are you drunk? No, you seem really drunk. How did you get here? I hope you didn't drive. Don't tell me, but you cannot go home like this. Is this your plan? Are you just trying to stay here? Well, I was gonna smoke, but I'm gonna take you inside, okay? You win, okay? You get to stay the fucking night here. Alright. Come inside with me. Alright, so I see you've already made yourself comfortable. You've already made yourself friends with my cat. I think right now what you really need, if you get any sleep, so you don't feel, hungover in the morning, is some water. I know you've, actually, I know you've already drank from this before, but it's still been a while since I've cleaned it, and I think it'd probably just be better. I have bottled water now, so, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab you some, okay? No. Grape. Sorry. Why did you hit this? I let you into my house, into my room, and you just start smoking whatever the fuck you find here? What were you thinking? Have you even smoked before? No, of course you haven't. Why the fuck? You don't know what's in there. Well, I guess we just gotta deal with it now. Alright, well, I guess the best thing we can do right now is probably to still drink the water. It's gonna help regardless. Can you... Do I need to fucking hold it? I'm not holding it, okay? I'm not doing this shit for you. Take your fucking water. I'm mad at you. I am mad at you, and I don't want to be. No, I don't want to be because I want to help you, and I know you're going through it. But this is not excusable. Yeah, Grape. Yeah. I'm gonna let Grape keep. I'm gonna let him chew on you. I'm gonna let him knock you over. Because you know what? I'm fucking tired of it. I am kind of getting tired of your shit, okay? I'm still gonna help you. Okay, Grape. You've had enough. You've had enough. Here. Keep your head up, because if you lay your head down, you're gonna start spinning. You're gonna start up. Up. Grape. Leave them alone. Keep your head up, because if not, you're gonna start to my vision test. I actually cannot believe you. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to help you stay focused. I'm gonna help you stay focused because at the end of the day, I still do care about you. I want the best for you. I'm not that mad, okay? I'm not that bad. Just don't do it again, okay? Can you promise me that? Can you promise me you won't just smoke whatever the fuck you find in my house again? Okay, deal. Alright, so I'm gonna find something for you to, like, follow, I guess, with your eyes. I think that'll help. And it'll give me a gauge of kind of how bad you're doing right now. Yeah, let me look around real quick. Hey. 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 Wake up. Psst. Hey. I'm not mad at you. Wake up. Oh, okay. There you are. I think you dozed off a little bit. I'm not gonna let you fall asleep though. Okay? You fall asleep under my conditions because you're in my room, you're in my bed. You fall asleep when I tell you, okay? Actually, nah, you can fall asleep now. Go back to sleep. Hey, you can go back to sleep. You can't. Are you kidding? Okay, well, I don't think you noticed because you were asleep, but I just piled a bunch of shit onto my bed for you. Because, yeah, I guess now apparently you need help going back to sleep again. I prepared all this stuff to help you, so you get to use it now. So first, I'm going to have you follow a light. I found this flashlight. I actually have no idea how to work this flashlight. Like, what the fuck kind of flashlight is this? Where did I get it? Let's open it and okay. Oh, that's the bulb. Yeah. I don't know what to do with this. Okay, you know what? Let's just... These are always such a pain in the ass to... Okay, God damn it. Just get... Okay. Well... I still want you to follow a light. Why don't you just follow this turned off flashlight? It still kind of has some light. So watch it as it goes left to right, up and down, side to side. Your eyes don't lie. You are fucked up. Looks like getting more and more fucked up every second. So, yeah, we're gonna have to get you to sleep fast. Okay. Well, that wasn't great, but I think, yeah, I'm just gonna get you ready for sleep, and then you can just, like, try to close your eyes, and I'm sure it'll work out. I can't really tell if you have hair or not. or long enough here? That's really weird. You are such like a nondescript character. It's kind of weird. Okay. Let's get this hair tie for you. Okay. Okay. Actually, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead. I wanted to try to play some music for you, but nothing's gonna be too loud, and nothing that I really have to think about. So, I got this jaw harp that I have. I'm not even gonna play it for you. I'm just gonna. It's kind of hard to do it like that. Just follow the jaw harp. Okay, you don't have to. If you want to close your eyes, I'm sure you'll just doze off and I won't even tell when you're asleep. Just whenever you feel ready to close your eyes and like, you know, kind of do that kind of thing, feel free. I'm just gonna keep doing this. And then also, I grabbed, I'm trying to be creative here, empty fuse pack, empty fuse 2-pod pack, the menthol 5%, with this piece of, you know, foil still on the outside, and the guitar pick. This is my instrument. Alright, I hope you liked my instrument. Just gonna fix these up and try to take care of my stuff, you know? Okay, actually, you might need to open your eyes for a sec. I'm going to give you random pills, because you know what? You wanna come in my house and do all this stuff? I'm just gonna encourage it now. So go ahead, you can have just this random pill. You don't know what it is. I know what it is. But I think it's better if you don't. Don't worry, it's not estrogen. I'm taking injections. I'm not making you take all of these, okay? I'm just trying to find out which one is perfect for you. Until one is left. Okay. So I have your pill, your water. This is still full. Drink the water. Okay. Drink it. Alright, Now keep it open. I want to shove this in your mouth, okay? No. Open. Drink the water again. Swallow. Okay, thank you. Well, now you can actually close your eyes if you want. I'm going to just make some nice sounds for you with these two stress toys. I have this needle cube that has these giant air bubbles in it, so it doesn't feel as fun to play with. And then I have this like brain. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one first. I like how like bloody these sound just happen on the air bubble. Now the brain. This is your brain on whatever the fuck you're on right now. This is me trying to help you, and then you take a cart hit. Okay. And now, this is me helping you. And then this is me giving you a random pill. No, I'm kidding. I did not deceive you. This is back to me helping you, okay? Does that feel nice? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All those creases. Getting deep in those grooves. Oh, and then now putting some pressure in. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Oh. But the upside down action. I need to stop. Sorry if I'm waking you up. Alright. Hey. Still awake? Psst. Psst. Yes, okay. I am gay. I am your big ass head. Yeah. You're not falling asleep in my place without getting some. Well, good night. God damn it, I have to sleep on the fucking couch.